What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. First story of the day is about the price of the Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. This tweet comes from Roland Quand. Roland says Samsung Galaxy Note 10/Note 10 Plus start at 256 gigabytes in Europe. So that's pretty big. Last year's version started at 128. Even the Galaxy S10 line of phones started at 128. And it looks like it's going to be priced at $999 for the Galaxy Note 10. And for the Note 10 Plus, it's going to start off at $1149. Now, these are Euro prices. And he says, based on what the retailers are saying, may change depending upon markets and other factors. So those prices are actually relatively normal, I guess. They're not overly exorbitant for what you would expect with another flagship type phone coming out. They're keeping their prices relatively the same. It's still over $1,000. I know it's a price a lot of people still don't want to pay, but at least it's not $1,500, $1,600, $1,700, $1,800, which, not to say there won't be a version that does cost that much, but that's the prices thus far that we're seeing. I can expect these prices to be very similar to be in America. So I would expect America to be $1,000 and again $1,150 for both of those phones. I really don't see any change with the Euro prices versus American prices. This other bit of information came out of South Korea. They said with an unpacked event slated for August 7th in New York, Samsung plans to accept pre-orders for the Galaxy Note 10 2 days later. So it looks like they're going to start pre-orders on August 9th for the Galaxy Note 10, Note 10 Plus, ahead of its official launch in the domestic market on August 23rd. So it looks like this phone will be released on August 23rd. Now they're saying this is just for South Korea, but you could pretty much write that in stone that it's going to be exactly the same. They've been launching their phones lately, especially the flagship phones, at the same time in most markets. So August 23rd release date, August 9th for the pre-order. It says the device will only support 5G in South Korea, while both 4G and 5G models will be available for the global market, they noted. So what they're talking about there is that the 5G model of the regular size Note 10 will only be in South Korea, whereas the Note 10 Plus will come in 4G, 5G globally. And then lastly, they said the device is expected to come in two sizes, 6.3 inches for the standard model and 6.7 inches for the premium one, respectively, priced at around $1,020 for the regular Note 10 and $1,186 in USD. So everything's lining up just as you kind of would expect it. No real curveballs thrown in there. The prices are kind of what I expected them to be. It doesn't surprise me at all. Also, the pre-order and release dates, they line up exactly with what Samsung's been doing over the last couple of years in terms of having these release dates and having the pre-orders a couple of days after their launch event, which will be in New York City, August 7th, which I will be at. August 23rd, a couple of weeks later, being the actual release date. And then obviously, at least here in America, with release dates, seems like T-Mobile, Sprint, and Verizon always release these phones at least sometimes almost a week ahead of time, or at least a few days ahead of time before that August 23rd release date. So that's what we got so far, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. My question out to you guys is, at this point, what are you feeling? Are you going to pre-order it? Are you going to wait, some time and then order it? Let me know in the comments down below. I will definitely be pre-ordering. I will definitely be pre-ordering the Plus version, and I will definitely be pre-ordering the one with 12 gigabytes of RAM, because I'm assuming that the base versions of these phones, the 10 and the 10 Plus, will have 8 gigabytes of RAM. Thanks for watching. See you guys down the road. Peace!